at 11:20. She feels the need to push.
It just hit me all of a sudden. I was like,
Hi, buddy.
Want some,
Howard, if you can just kind of...
like, spoon some water on top to keep the baby
And
warm.
even on the head here too.
Oh, you didn't like that.
Because otherwise he's kind of wrapped in a cold towel.
He is lusty. Listen to that.
They kind of got in the tub in the nick of time.
Good job, Christine. You rock.
Oh, you're awesome. Superwoman there.
Hello, sweetness.
you were awesome too.
You were
He had
awesome.
no fear. He got on his swimsuit and jumped
I'm
right
telling
in the
you,
nick of
Spider-Man
time.
shorts and all.
There you are,
I
sweetie.
wasn't sure I could handle those contractions any longer either. And all of a sudden
Well,
I
that
was
was
like,
intense because you were moving so quickly.
You did great, sweetie.
Yay.
All right, now let's see what on the
Okay.
tub.
I was